Hi, I'm Chris Gaylor here, the General Manager at Gaylor Design Build, and today I'm going to go over a simple do-it-yourself fix for a tripped GFI. What you're going to do is a lot of times when you're in your kitchen, you maybe had your toaster and a coffee maker going and all of a sudden it'll trip. You actually don't need to go back to your sub panel. A lot of times it's actually just one of these, which is called the GFI Breaker. So if you notice, there are two buttons. The first is test, which will actually trip it if it's not already tripped. And then the top one is reset. That actually resets the circuit. Now the thing to keep in mind is not every plug in your kitchen has these buttons. So if you happen to be plugged into one without those buttons, you need to find one that is tripped in your kitchen. So again, the bottom one, it tests it. So if it's already tripped, all it'll do is not trip any or push any buttons out. But if it is tripped, you just push that top button in and it should start working. One thing to make sure is make sure the two appliances that tripped it aren't currently plugged in because it may trip it again. So I hope you found this useful. If you have any questions, you can email us at office@gaylordesignbuild.com. Thank you very much.